In a world where goods need to be moved swiftly and efficiently, truckers emerge as the unsung heroes of the modern age. Behind the rumbling engines and sprawling highways, they navigate a dynamic landscape of challenges and triumphs. But what lies beneath the surface of this vital industry? How do truckers navigate market volatility, economic uncertainties, and technological disruptions? Join us as we unveil the hidden stories of these road warriors, exploring the gripping tales of resilience, adaptability, and determination. Buckle up and embark on a journey where every mile is fraught with twists and turns, where the destiny of the freight market hangs in the balance, and where truckers dare to defy the odds. While it's true that sharp declines in freight prices can create challenges for truckers, it's important to consider various factors that contribute to market conditions and their potential consequences. Here are a few points to consider. Number 1. Market dynamics. The balance between the supply of available trucks and the demand for freight transportation services significantly influences freight rates. When there is an oversupply of trucking capacity, such as during periods of increased truck production or an influx of new entrants into the industry, the increased competition can lead to downward pressure on prices. Cliffhanger. If there is a sudden surge in new trucking entrants or a slowdown in demand growth, it can create an oversupply scenario, causing freight prices to decline sharply. Fuel costs, particularly diesel prices, are a significant expense for truckers. Fluctuations in fuel prices can impact operating costs and subsequently freight rates. Increases in fuel costs may necessitate higher freight prices to maintain profitability, while decreases in fuel costs can provide some relief. Cliffhanger. If there is an unexpected spike in fuel prices, it can squeeze truckers' margins, making it challenging to operate profitably without increasing freight rates. Government regulations, such as hours of service rules, emission standards, and safety regulations, can impact the trucking industry and market dynamics. Changes in regulations can affect truckers' operational costs, capacity, and compliance requirements, potentially leading to shifts in freight rates. Cliffhanger. If there are sudden and significant regulatory changes, such as stricter emission standards or revised labor laws, it can impose additional costs on truckers and alter the competitive landscape, potentially impacting freight rates. Number 2. Industry adaptability. Trucking companies and independent truckers have the ability to make operational adjustments in response to market changes. This includes optimizing routes, adjusting capacity, exploring new markets, or diversifying their services to meet evolving customer demands. Adapting to changing needs and finding innovative solutions can help truckers stay competitive. Embracing technology can enhance efficiency and competitiveness. Truckers can leverage fleet management systems, GPS tracking, load optimization software, and digital freight platforms to streamline operations, improve communication, and access real-time market information. Integrating technology can provide a competitive edge and improve profit margins. Collaborating with other industry stakeholders, such as freight brokers, shippers, or logistics providers, can help truckers access a broader customer base and tap into new opportunities. Building strategic partnerships or joining cooperative networks can provide access to additional resources, expand service offerings, and create mutually beneficial relationships. Number 3. Economic factors. Economic growth and consumer spending are key drivers of freight demand. During periods of robust economic growth, increased consumer spending stimulates the movement of goods, resulting in higher demand for freight transportation services. Conversely, during economic downturns or recessions, consumer spending tends to decline, leading to a decrease in freight demand. Certain industries, such as manufacturing, retail, and construction, have a direct influence on freight demand. Number 4. Diversification. Diversification is a strategy employed by truckers to reduce their reliance on any single market segment or customer customer, mitigating risks associated with market fluctuations. Truckers can pursue contracts in various industries, such as retail, manufacturing, agriculture, healthcare, or construction. Each industry has unique transportation needs, and diversifying across sectors allows truckers to access a broader customer base and reduce vulnerability to industry-specific downturns. Operating in different regions or markets can help truckers tap into diverse economic conditions. By expanding their operations beyond a single area, truckers can offset the impact of regional economic fluctuations and gain access to different customer demands. Offering complementary services alongside core transportation, such as warehousing, freight brokerage, or logistics consulting, allows truckers to diversify their offerings. Providing value-added services can enhance customer loyalty, attract new clients, and generate additional revenue streams. Number 5. Government policies and infrastructure. Governments enact various regulations that impact the trucking industry, such as safety standards, hours of service rules, emissions regulations, and labor laws. Compliance with these regulations can affect operational costs, capacity, and competitiveness for truckers. Additionally, changes in regulations can create new challenges or opportunities, requiring truckers to adapt their practices accordingly. Governments play a pivotal role in shaping trade policies, tariffs, and agreements that influence international freight movements. Trade barriers or changes in trade policies can impact the flow of goods, alter trade routes, and affect the demand for trucking services. Government initiatives that foster international trade can create opportunities for truckers to participate in global supply chains. Government investments in transportation infrastructure, such as roads, bridges, ports, and intermodal facilities, are critical for the smooth functioning of the trucking industry. Well-maintained and efficient infrastructure reduces transportation bottlenecks, improves delivery times, and enhances overall operational efficiency for truckers. Conversely, inadequate infrastructure can lead to congestion, delays, and increased costs. As truckers navigate the evolving landscape of government policies and infrastructure, will they be able to effectively adapt to changing regulatory requirements and leverage government support to their advantage? Will governments allocate sufficient funding for infrastructure development, or will inadequate investments lead to persistent challenges and constraints for truckers? The future balance between supportive policies and infrastructure advancements hangs in the balance, influencing the opportunities and hurdles that lie ahead for truckers. In the ever-changing world of trucking, truckers face a web of challenges and opportunities, from market dynamics and economic factors to industry adaptability and government policies. Their journey is marked by uncertainties. Will they embrace emerging technologies, navigate economic downturns, diversify successfully, and adapt to shifting regulations? Only time will reveal the road ahead. As the truckers steer their way through the twists and turns of the industry, the resilience and adaptability of these modern-day road warriors will be put to the test. Thanks for watching. Bye.